Assalamu alaikum to my all dear learners. So guys, you all people are welcome in English Learning Home. As you all know that I have created this channel recently, I want to introduce my channel. I want to introduce the name of my channel, that why I have kept the name of my channel as an English Learning Home. I have given my channel name Home because I want you guys to take this channel as your home. Whatever the queries are coming in your mind, you can ask me by putting your questions in comment section. Your all queries will be resolved as soon as possible. If you people have been here, so you are congratulated because you have been on a good platform where your all the concepts from basic to advanced will be cleared. Guys, I want to tell you the purpose of creating this channel. So guys, there are 5 purposes of creating this channel. First of all, to enhance the confidence of learners. What I really want to enhance or to boost the confidence of learners, the students, the seekers, the learners who are very desired to learn English and are intelligent too, but their confidence is not boosting. I want to boost their confidence. My second purpose is to provide them concepts from basic to advanced. Students के concepts को बेसिक से एडवांस तक क्लियर करवाना. Okay, my third purpose is to bring out them from the inferiority complex. I have seen number of the students in inferiority complex. They people are quite intelligent. They have a grip of grammar too, but they are in complex in this society. They feel that they are unable to speak English. They feel that they are unable to write English, and they feel hesitate to English even they know how to speak English. I want to bring out from their inferiority complex. My fourth purpose is to save their money plus time. ओके स्टूडेंट्स के मनी और टाइम को बचाना. वो स्टूडेंट्स जो सेंटर्स विजिट करते हैं, they invest their money, they consume their time, even that they do not get anything. Okay, they people are not provided as much quality of education as they deserve. Fifth purpose is to make them good speaker. This would remain my great purpose of creating this channel, because I have seen number of the students who have the good grip in grammar. They can write English, they can read English, even they can understand English, but they do not speak English. They feel hesitate to speak English. I want to make them good speaker. This is the great purpose of creating this channel. Okay, so guys, let me tell you about our syllabus. I have comprised our syllabus into 3 parts: basic, pre-advanced, and the last but not the least, advanced. Like we people will be covering our syllabus from basic to advanced. I have categorized our syllabus in 3 parts, as I have told you earlier. In basic grammar, we people will be learning about verb to be, present, past, future, verb to have, tenses, just introduction, countable and uncountable nouns, uses of introductory subjects. It have uses 1 where basic uses will be cleared. How to deliver an effective presentation. This will be the best topic of our basic grammar, because most of the students do not know that how to deliver an effective presentation. They have to suffer from this. Inshallah, we people will be covering this as well. Okay, in the last, you people will be asked to give me grand test, and your result will be uploaded on our channel. In second part, you people will be taught about pre-advanced grammar, in which your concepts will be cleared about tenses, active passive voice, parts of speech with classifications, uses to, modal verbs, adverbs, conjunctions, reading skills using American accent, paragraph writing skills, and the last you people will be asked to give me grand test 2 and your result will be uploaded. Afterwards, you people will be taught about advanced grammar, in which overview of basic and pre-advanced grammar will be given. Narrations, or you can say that direct indirect, will be covered. Uses 3, letter application and CV writing, kinds of sentences, causative and conditional sentences, phonetics, punctuations, analysis of sentences, precis writing, and the last your grand final test will be conducted, in which your basic, pre-advanced and advanced grammar will be included, and this will be the final and the grand test of our syllabus. Okay, so guys, this is the schedule of our classes. Your classes will be started from 12th March 2021. Your timing of lectures will be uploaded on daily basis at sharp 3 p.m. Respond to queries, whatever the questions come in your mind related to our lecture, related to grammar. You are free to ask question in coming session, and your all the comments will be responded at 8 p.m. Guys, as you all know that I am new here, I really need your support. Watch my channel, like my videos, subscribe and hit the icon button to get my lectures on daily basis. That's all from my side. Thanks everyone for watching my channel.